Hey guys, remember about
But
a few days ago, like not a few days ago, like about a year ago? America, stop it, please. I told you that I heard knocking in my house. Well, I'm hearing it again. Marcus, shh, let them hear. Hear it? It's that exact same knocking. And it's not me. Look. Look, and Marcus's hands are over here. See? It's not me. It isn't. And nobody else is here with me. Oh, 1 minute. Oh, never mind. She's tired and she can't sleep because of that same noise. It's been happening for a while. See, she's even crying now. Well, about to. I'm scared. Oh, go away. Baby, she can't stay. Lay down, go away. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Say again. Hide right there. Look. No one here. No one there. Just my niece. And that's it. The rest of my niece. Nobody else is here. It's just me and my niece. Wait, knock again. I can hear that knock again, but it's lower. Knock again. Right there. It's not me. It's not me. Oh my god. It's getting louder. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god. Someone just grabbed their foot. I see it. Okay. Okay. Oh, let it touch you again. Can I read a book, baby? Who's me? Betty. Who? I don't see nobody. Ow! My hair! I'm scared. I'm gonna have to go now. I have to go.